Good afternoon. Today we're talking about sectional connectors installed on our sofas. Quick and easy. Our delivery associates put these and install them on our sofas when they're delivered. And sometimes our customers or yourself need to move them to a different room, or if you're moving, you need to move the piece. So today we're going to go over how we disconnect them and actually connect them together. Very easy. So first of all, here is what our sectional connectors look like. Two pieces. You've got what we call a fork and a post. Very easy. This is just kind of a quick demonstration. If you hear a ratcheting sound, real easy. So now we're going to look at a sofa over here that has them installed on them. So now we have a piece. Normally our corner piece is going to have our forks on them. As you can see, we've got two of them installed here. And on this piece right here, the equal distance measured here, we have a post here and a post here. The easiest way to connect them is to kind of line up the backs, and this is either a one or two person job. Kind of line up the backs here because they're measured properly, and you give them a little shove together, and you can hear that ratcheting sound. Right now they're connected. They're going to stay in place. Very easy way to disconnect them is take the piece that had the posts on them, which is right here, this right arm sofa. So you just pick it up about an inch straight up, and all that does is pops the post out, as you kind of see here. It just pops it right out. So real simple and easy. Line up the backs, push it together, pick up the sofa that has the posts on it. Real easy.